All right, what's up, guys? So I just did a long 20-minute video. I posted it, and this thing didn't it didn't have any sound. So this is gonna be super short. So basically, let's go over this again. AREC. Nothing was happening this morning. Everything was tanking. There was nothing good at all. Nothing looked good. But I tried to take a trade and try to make some money. So basically, I knew this area here. Um, had some resistance. So I waited for it to go up to this level. I jumped in, expecting it to do exactly what it just did here, which is go up to here. So I can just take this 25 cent, 20-cent move, because this is 355, 65.75. That's 20 cents. So I was expecting to take this move up to this level, and perhaps it might even break through go time and explode. But as soon as I jumped in, it slammed down on me. Then, once it slammed down on me, it went to this level. I tried to double up right here at the EMA, but for some reason, it popped up and it gave me a fill right there. I'm like, wow. So it gave me a bad fill. So this fill I didn't really want, but then it ended up going back to this level. So that's the fill that I really wanted to double up at. So I ended up buying again, and I have three trades right there, right? So I ended up buying at 357. It dropped down. I got a bad fill at 348, and then at 344, I bought again, and then it popped up to this level, and I was selling. I ended up being a little bit green, and then right when I sold, it goes above this same area where I wanted it to happen because I wanted to jump above this area to take this move. So as soon as I sold, it goes above this area and starts moving up. So immediately I jumped in again, expecting it to go to this level. It goes up, starts coming down, so I sold very quick. So I jumped in at 360 and I jumped out at 364. And right when I sold, this thing went to the area or close to it like I thought it would. So that happens sometimes. Um, you know, it was a slow day. Nothing was happening in the mornings. I couldn't even. And you guys seen some of my trades. It takes me like 4 seconds sometime, and I'm in and out, and I made my profits, and I'm done for the day. But this morning, I couldn't even find anything to trade. Nothing looked good. Everything was plummeting. So, um, you know, this one looked fairly good enough, and it almost got me. But again, experience comes into play because I know it's over VWAP. I know buyers are still in control. Now, if it got below VWAP, I probably would have just sold and just be done with it because at that point I would have thought it was just going to continue to go down. But because if it was because it's over VWAP, I've always said this in many videos. If it's above VWAP, the buyers are still in control. If it's below the VWAP, the sellers are in control. So because I knew that, based on experience, that's why I just kind of doubled up above VWAP or as close to VWAP as I could because I'm thinking it's going to pop back up because the buyers are still in control. Um, that's why I did that. Uh, and then, of course, this thing went and did exactly what I thought it would do right here. So if it happened right there, I would have just took one trade and I would have been done for the day. But this thing kind of put a little bit of toll on me. But we still came out on top. We ended up with 440, and that was it. I did play the video um, in the last video that I posted, so you can actually go back and watch that video and see the recording of my trades. But other than that, that was it. Nothing was looking good. I mean, even after this move, you can see it kind of just dwindled away. So, like the rest of the stocks today, if you look, GME dwindled away. Everything was going down. AMC dwindled. Everything was looking bad. So this was the only one that popped up on the scanner. Again, how did I find it? Popped up on Tradeideas. I have a link to Tradeideas below. This is Tradeideas. So I have a link to Tradeideas. This is the scanner that basically saves my life most of the time. I typically know what I'm about to trade, but every now and then there's nothing to trade, and Tradeideas saves my life when situations like that happen, because it's finding stocks that are moving real time and letting me know which ones are moving. So there's a link to Tradeideas below. If you want to subscribe to Tradeideas, use my link. If you want the setup like this, if you can show me that you did sign up through my link, then I'll go ahead and help you set your scanner up the same way I have mine. That way you can see things the same way I see mine. All right, so I keep it very simple, and that's about it. I'm not gonna make a long video. I just made a 20-minute video, and this thing had no recording. So you guys, you see I'm working hard for you, trying to pump out some basic knowledge, and sometimes it just fails horribly. 20 minutes, no sound. So, if you guys go ahead and um, like and subscribe, I'll post more videos. If not, I will post whenever I have some time. All right, so that's it for today. Kind of tired. Time for me to go to sleep. It's 11 p.m. over here. I'm over here making videos for you guys. So hit that like and subscribe. All right. Talk to you guys another day.